So the next question reads, a line has a slope of -4 and passes through the point 0 and -5. What is the equation of the line? So they give us two pieces of information here, the slope and the point where the line passes through. So I'll be going through two different methods of calculating this. I've been through this before, but I'll do it again. So the first method is by just using the standard equation of a line and going from there. The second method is by using the point slope formula and going from there. Okay, so the standard equation of a line is y equals mx plus b. It could be plus or minus b, it doesn't really matter. M is the slope, b is your y-intercept, x is the independent variable, and y is the dependent variable. So here they've given us the slope and a point that passes through the line, so this is very easy for us. So we already know that m equals -4. So let's plug that in. So if m equals -4, then we get y equals -4x plus b. All right, cool. So now we're given a point on the line. So let's just say sub 0, -5. And what do we get? So -5, -4 times 0 is 0 plus b. And now we know that b equals -5. And now we have found our line equation, which is just y equals -4x minus 5. Cool. So that's the first method of calculating or finding your line equation. All right. The second part is by using the point slope formula, which is y minus y naught equals the slope times x minus x naught, where y naught, x naught is our point that we know of. Okay. So we're given m, which is -4, and we're also given x naught, y naught, which is 0, -5. All right, cool. So let's plug in all this information here. So y is plus 5, m equals -4, x minus 0. And what we get here, we get y plus 5 equals -4x. So we're going to isolate for our variables here. So we're going to move this to the other side. So we're going to do y plus 5 plus 4x minus 5. And we're going to do minus 4x minus 5 plus 4x. Cancel, cancel. And we get y plus 4x equals -5. Wait a second. I need to move it back. Why did I do that? So if I just reverse this, it'll just be here. I'll move it back. Y plus 4x minus 4x equals -5 minus 4x, which equals y equals -4x minus 5. So we can see from these two solutions that we have the same solution. Another thing to note, looking at our graph here, is that we have a negative sloping function with an intercept at -5, and so now we can graph our line. So those are two different ways of calculating your equation of a line from two pieces of information. You can choose which one you prefer. And also, just one more thing to note before I move on to the next question is that there can be different pieces of information that you're given. For example, you can be given 2 points on the line. You can be given the y-intercept, x-intercept. It's all up to how, but even though you're given different pieces of information, you can still use these two methods to calculate the line of the equation of a line, regardless of what kind of information you're given. Okay, so this solution is correct. Nice stuff. Cool. All right, question number 6.